Maharashtra government has officially cancelled the 5% reservation for Muslims in education and government and semi-government jobs through a new government resolution. The quota was introduced in July 2014 by the Congress NCP government for 50 specified Muslim communities under the special backward category A along with the 16% Marathas quota. It had increased total reservation in the state from 52% to 68%. However, the move was challenged in the Bombay High Court for crossing the Supreme Court's 50% cap on reservation. The ordinance later lapsed in December 2014 and was never made into law. With the new government resolution, the state has cancelled all earlier decisions related to the Muslim quota, stopped issuing caste and non-creamy layered certificates under special backward category A, and restricted admissions and recruitments under this category. Officials called this move as procedural, but the opposition accused the BJP-led government of being anti-minority. Congress leader Naseem Khan termed the decision extremely wrong and claimed minority welfare schemes were also being reduced. However, the decision has reopened a political debate in Maharashtra, with the opposition viewing the cancellation as a setback to minority representation and social justice, even as the government maintains that the move merely formalizes a quota that had no legal standing.